Hello students, welcome all of you to today's English class. Dear students, now it's time to discuss your summative exam questions, okay? Now I am going to explain the answers of each questions vividly with showing page number of your book, okay? So let's start the discussion class. Look at here. Dear students, I have taken the set number D of English question, okay? Now look at the questions. First question belongs to grammar questions. Look at the question here. The governor and chancellor of the university has been invited to the functions. Okay. So it is from your subject verb agreement. So open your book, grammar book at page number 26 and look D number option, that is 7 number D option. What is given there? When and connects two titles and designations of the same person, the verb is your singular. And if the persons referred to are different, the verb is plural. Two options are given here. The Vice President of India and Chairman of Rajya Sabha has. So they perform the same designation. So it takes has. Okay. But look at here in second example, the Vice President of India and the Chancellor of University. Your answer is where. Why? Because Vice President and Chancellor are two different designations. Okay. Now come to your question here. The Governor and Chancellor of the University. So, Governor राज्यपाल ओके सो आम जाचु राज्यपाल ही यूनिवर्सिटी चांसेलर भाव में कार्य करते सेम डेजिग्नेशन अच्छी माने इट मस्ट टेक सिंगुलर वर्ब ओके एज हियर बीन इज देयर सो यू शुड यूज हैज ओके सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी नेक्स्ट कम्स टू क्वेश्चन नंबर डी इट इज ऑल्सो बिलोंग्स टू योर ग्रामर क्वेश्चन his brothers as well as his uncle is responsible for his success. Okay, open page number 28 and look at 12 number A option. Okay, if two words are linked in the subject with the help of connectives like with, as well as, in addition to, together with, etc., the verb agrees with the first word. Okay, so first word अनुसारे आमर verb टी बसिबो. Look at one example is also there in your book. Rabi as well as his friends is. एटी रवि बदल पाई इज बसछि ठीक अछि. Now look at here question number 2. His brothers as well as his uncle as well as his there. So you look at the first word and his brothers. It is in plural form. Okay. So you should use are here. So answer is option number B. Now come to your question number 3. What is there? Look at here. The rumor that our headmaster is leaving school is true. The underlined clause is a noun clause functioning as dash. Dear students, open your grammar book at page number 75. Look at here 6 number A point. The news that his father has come is true. Here is given in your questions that the rumor that our headmaster is leaving school is true. Okay, so here look at the first line of the paragraph. In 6a, the italicized expression is a noun clause in apposition to the noun phrase. So here answer is option number B. Got it? Okay. Now question number 4. Look at here. Waste not, want not. The above sentence is a dash sentence. Dear students, it is a compound sentence. Okay. Option number B is the correct answer. Its complex sentence is if you don't waste, you won't. Now look at question number 5. Question number 5 is my father who is working at Koraput is a doctor. The underlined clause is a dash. Defining relative clause, non-defining relative clause. Yes, it is. Answer is B number, non-defining relative clause. Look at page number 16 of your text. Non-defining relative clause usually has a comma preceding and following it. Some writers use a dash. Okay. So look at here. My father, one comma is there. Then who is working as Koraput? Next another comma is there and is a doctor. So it is a non-defining relative clause. Okay. Question number 6. Not only the boy but also his friends dash equally guilty. Now look at option number B from 29 page. Look at here. When the words in the subject are connected by not only but also or neither nor or either or and they differ in number and person, the verb agrees with the nearer subject. Okay. One example is also there. Not only the boy but also his friends are equally guilty. Not only but also थिले भार्टी जोठी बसिबो ता पाखरे को सब्जेक्ट अछि ताकू हमको देखिबा पे पड़िबो. So here his friends is there. His friends, it is in plural form. So we should use the verb here are. So answer is option number B. Okay. Now look at here question number 7. What is there in question number 7? The two seasons described in the poem All Things Bright and Beautiful are, of course, the summer and winter. It is a very easy question for you. Question number 8. What is given here? Look at question number 8. Let's go on a picnic. In the above sentence, the subject is this. It's time to open your page number 15 of your grammar book. Okay. And look at option number C where imperative sentence is written. And look at point number 4. Okay. Let's go on a picnic. And look at the paragraph, first line of the paragraph. In the above sentences, the subject you is there, but it is not mentioned here. Okay. As these are belongs to a imperative sentence, so subject is not mentioned. Okay. So your answer will be option number B, that is you. Got it? Okay. Very good. Now look at question number 9. What is given here in question number 9? Where according to C.F. Alexander do we play? Yes, we play in the meadows. Question number 10. Sergi was a or an dash by profession. Yes, Sergi was advocate. Option number D. Question number 11. What is given here? What is the best cure dash a cold? Dear students, open your book at page number 54 of your grammar book. Okay. And look at here option number B triple I. Accuse, approve, boast, complain, consist, cure, die, mad, remind, rob or one plus of. Okay. So we use after cure is of. So here is option number A, that is of is the correct answer. Okay. Next is question number 12. Lencho's solitary house was situated this. Where is Lencho's house situated? Yes, on the crest of a low hill. Option number D. Next is question number 13. Who gave milk to Timothy in a feeding bottle? Grandfather, grandmother, the author, Mahmud. Yes, option number D. Next is question number 14. The work should be finished this Sunday. Dear students, open your book at page number 48 of your grammar book. Okay. 3.4 option by. It is used to show the latest time at which an action will be finished. It is usually used with the future time. Okay. So accordingly your option will be by. Option number C. Now look at question number 15. Where did Sergi first meet the beggar? Here option number B is the correct answer. Now number 16. What was the notice days? Is option number A you were looking at. Next is question number 17. How did Lencho feel when he counted the money? Option number A, he became angry when he counted the money. 18 number. State which of the following is grammatically acceptable. Dear students, open your book at page number 16 of your grammar book. Look at the exclamatory sentence examples. Okay. You know that you use a or n after what. Okay. So accordingly it became wrong. C number also became wrong. And you don't use a or n after how. So accordingly it also became wrong. Option number B is the correct answers. Next is question number 19. It is from your text. What were Lencho's smaller children doing? Yes, Lencho's smaller children were doing. They were playing near the house. Option number B. It is also very easy question. Next is question number 20. What did the grandfather use to do whenever Timothy growled? Here is option number B. He would smack him across the mouth. Next is question number 21. All depends on how the work is done. Pick out the noun clause in the above sentence. Dear students, open your book at page number 75 and look at 5 number A, B, C. Okay. These are the noun clauses that how the work is done is the noun clause. All depends on what? How the work is done. So option number C is the correct answer, and this noun clause is working as the object of preposition. Okay. Next is question number 22. Ghee is made dash milk. Open your book at page number 55 of your grammar book. Butter is made from milk. Flour is made from wheat. Likewise also ghee is made from. Option number D is the correct answer. Next is question number 23. Gandhi retained his false notion about handwriting until he went to. Option number B, England is the correct answer. Next is question number 24. Look at here. Timothy was glad to have the tempting diet of dash. Yes, option number C, pigeons and rabbits. Next is question number 25. What made the beggar stop drinking? Option number C is the correct answer. Next is question number 26. The solitary reaper was singing with a passerby, with her friends, with the poet, by herself. Option number D, by herself. Next is question number 27. How much did Laskov earn per month as a notary? Yes, 35 ruble. Option number A. Next is question number 28. Sergi engaged the beggar in the work of days, cutting grass, chopping wood, cleaning the house, removing old broken things. First of all, he engaged the beggar in the work of chopping wood. Option number B. Next is question number 29. The jury days divided on this issue. Dear students, open page number 24 of your grammar book and look for number A point. A collective noun in the singular may take the verb in the singular if the speaker thinks of the thing as a singular whole, and if the individual members of the collective noun are considered, the collective noun can take a plural verb. Look at the examples. Here, the jury dash divided in their opinions. Here, where is there? And in second example, the jury dash selected its chairman has. Here you take the singular verb. Why? Because here the jury is acted as or used as one body, one single body. So in that case also we use the jury where. Option number A is the correct answer. Next is question number 30. What was Timothy's favorite place in the house? Kitchen, drawing room, bedroom, garden. Here option number B, drawing room, is the correct answer. Question number 31. What kind of song is the solitary reaper singing? Patriotic, melancholy, satirical or beautiful? Of course option number B, melancholy. Next is question number 32. I write with the pen dash my brother gave me. Who? No. Which, whose or whom? Option number B, which my brother gave me. Okay. Next is question number 33. Sumant went to college dash a scooty. Dear students, it's time to open your book, grammar book, At page number 50, 4.1, prepositions indicating means of travel. Okay, he goes to college. Look at here. He goes to college daily by bus, by car, by train, by taxi, bicycle, rickshaw. We can say by air, by aeroplane, by sea, by ship, by water, by boat, by road, by land. But if an article a or the is used before the means of travel, the preposition on or in is usually used. So look at here, what is given here? A scooty. So A is there, as A is there, according to your rule, if A or the is used before the means of travel, the preposition on or in is used. Okay. Now look at page number 51. He went to college. Got it? Here Sumant went to college is given here. He went to college on his or a bicycle, on the a bus, or on the train, on the rickshaw, on the motorbike, on horseback, on foot, likewise on a scooty. Got it? Very good. Now question number 34. Wordsworth says that the girl's song may be related to some day's sorrow, loss or pain. Unnatural, personal, natural, universal. Option number C is the correct answer. Next is question number 35. The flower smells sweet. The underlined part of the sentence functions as the dash. Subject of a sentence, object of a verb, complement of a verb, or transitive verb of the sentence. Dear students, now open your book at page number 14. Dear students, look at the verb part here. Is, got, looks, seems, appears, smells, feels. In SBC pattern, all these types of verbs should be used. So look at here, smells is there. So after smells, underline word is sweet. So here the flower is S, smells is B, it is C, complement. Got it? So it is option number C. Good. Next is question number 36. Whose voice according to Wordsworth is thrilling in springtime? Nightingales, cuckoos, parrots or skylarks? It is option number B is the correct answer. Next is option number 37. Question number 37. What drew tears from Gandhiji's eyes? Punishment from teachers? The least moral defect? His father's illness? Mr. Jimmy's refusal to exempt him from gymnastics? This is B number. In your book it is mentioned that the least little blemish that drew tears from his eyes. So here is the least moral defect. Okay, option number B. Next is 38 number. What did Gandhi very jealously guard? His characters, his certificates, his prizes, his character, his reputation. Yes, his character. Option number C. Next is question number 39. In whom did Lencho have deep faith? The postmaster, God, the postman, or his wife and sons? Of course, option number B. Next is question number 40. According to Gandhi, a man of truth should be dash, a man of hard work, very gentle, very friendly, a man of care. Yes, it is also a direct question. Option number D. Next is question number 41. Where, according to Wordsworth, do the tired travelers take a rest? Among the farthest favorites, in some oasis among the Arabian deserts, in the highlands of Scotland, in the deep valley. Option number B here is the correct answer. Next is question number 42. Toto was bold enough to pull Timothy by the tail, dance in front of Timothy, sit on Timothy's back, grin at Timothy. Here option number A is the correct answer. Next is question number 43. Which came directly in the way of Gandhiji's serving his father? Regular attendance in school, his interest in Sanskrit, his father's unwillingness, compulsory exercise. Here is option number D is the correct answer. 44. This is the point in the film days we came in. Here option number B is the correct answer. Okay. Dear students, here the term describes a particular place or a situation. And in the given sentence, people arrived at a particular place or a particular point. So the correct sentence is, this is the point in the film where we came in. 45 number, what according to C.F. Alexander has God given to the little birds? Tiny wings, glowing colors, beautiful beaks, small legs. Option number A, tiny wings is the correct answer. 46 number, where do roses grow? In the garden, by the roadside, in the field, by the water. Of course, by the water. Question number 47. This is a very beautiful movie. If this sentence is turned into an exclamatory sentence, which of the following will be grammatically acceptable? Here is A is there. So, you should use what. Okay. So, accordingly, it became wrong. What a beautiful this movie. Not this movie. It became wrong. What a beautiful movie this is. Yes, it is correct. Next one. What a beautiful is this movie. It also became wrong. So, option number B is the correct answer. Okay. Look at the examples. How the declarative sentences changed into exclamatory. One activity also given in your book, that is activity 3. Okay. Next is question number 48. What is there in 48? Wordsworth bore the thrilling sound of reapers sung in his days, mind, heart, soul or memory. It is option number B, that is heart. Next is question number 49. What was the single hope in the hearts of all the members of Lynch's family? Help from God, help from the government, help from the postmaster or help from the society? Of course, option number A. Very easy question, dear students. Next is question number 50. His brother's works dash a firm. It is a grammar question. For that, dear students, you may see page number 42 of your grammar book. Okay. What is there in page number 42? Look at 2.3, point number A. That is from on, preposition on. If the places of work are not buildings, on is used. And look at the first bit. He is working on a farm. So, option number B, that is on, is the correct answer. Okay. Dear students, I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.